Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today, I found a brand new YouTube channel that is absolutely insane. The videos are getting massive views, and channels like this are making thousands of dollars online. Now you might be thinking, creating videos like these must be difficult, right? Not at all. The most important thing is the video style and storytelling. And the crazy part is, you can create videos like this completely free using AI tools. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these viral documentary-style videos using free AI tools, so you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel and potentially earn thousands of dollars online. We'll cover free AI video tools, thumbnail creation cinematic, voiceovers viral documentary editing story, generation AI image prompts, video prompts, and the exact strategy these channels are using to blow up fast, so make sure you watch till the end, because this might be one of the easiest AI YouTube opportunities right now. The prompts are already fully prepared for you. You've already seen them. Every prompt is specially designed according to the video style and the channel style. You don't need to create anything manually. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And with a single command, ChatGPT will generate cinematic image prompts AI, video prompts, thumbnail ideas, documentary scripts, voiceover scene breakdowns, editing effects, sound design, and complete viral documentary scenes automatically. Everything is optimized for Faceless. YouTube channels, viral storytelling, cinematic documentaries, high-retention videos, Netflix-style visuals, AI-generated content creation. The best part? Most of these tools are completely free. So even if you're a beginner, you can still create professional quality videos without expensive software, editing skills, or a big team. All you have to do is copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, generate the content, turn it into a video upload. Consistently, that's literally the same strategy many viral AI documentary channels are using right now to get millions of views and earn thousands of dollars online. Now let's come to the website. The website name is DIGEN AI, and the reason I use this website is because it's totally free. Some people might think I'm joking, but no man, I'm serious. Just watch this video till the end because I'll guide you step by step on how to use this website completely free. This platform has many powerful AI tools like Seedream Nano Banana AI image generators, AI video tools, story and voiceover generators, and many more. You can create full AI stories, cinematic videos, thumbnails, voiceovers, image prompts, and even consistent characters all in one place. Most people are spending hundreds of dollars on expensive tools, while this website already provides amazing features for free. So don't skip this video because I'll show you how smart creators are using these AI tools to grow fast and make money with viral content. Now first, come into the login section. Here you don't even need your personal Gmail account. Just open any temporary email website, copy any random email, and come back to the sign up option. Paste the email there. It will ask for an OTP verification code. Simply go back to the temp email inbox, copy the OTP code, paste it here, and done. Your free credit plan is activated. You also receive daily free credits. And when you first sign up, you get around 280 credits, which is honestly enough to generate many AI images and videos. Now first, let's start with images. Click on the image section and generate your images from here. There are many AI models available, but honestly, Flux and Image Motion are the most interesting ones. Just copy any prompt and paste it here. The result quality, generation speed, lighting, background, and character consistency are absolutely amazing. According to the prompt, the character gets generated perfectly, the background looks cinematic, and the lighting feels like a professional animated movie scene. Honestly, everything looks very polished and high quality. And the best thing is, you don't even need Nano Banana or any other expensive tool because this platform is already giving amazing results completely free. It only takes a small amount of credits, not too much, and you can generate incredible cinematic images easily. I tested this tool many times with different prompts and different styles, and every single time the results were totally awesome. The character consistency is especially insane. Most AI tools struggle to keep the same character face, clothes, and style, but this tool handles it surprisingly well. There are also many other tools available inside the platform like Nano Banana and more, but honestly, this tool gives much better consistency for cinematic storytelling and animated characters. You also get daily free credits, which are honestly enough to generate a huge number of images regularly, so don't worry too much about the image generation part. Everything you need for AI content creation is basically available in one place. Now we successfully completed the image part, but now it's time to create the real magic. Yes, the magic of AI video generation. Most people think creating high-quality AI videos like VO3 for free is impossible, right? But don't worry, man. This tool makes it super easy. Just come to the main page and first select the image that you want to turn into a video. Upload the image, then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the video prompt, not the image prompt, because the AI generates the motion, camera movement, and animation according to the video instructions. Now simply paste the prompt. You don't need to change complicated settings or do anything technical. Just click on Generate. There are many video models available, but honestly, I recommend selecting the first one, Turbo 3.1. This model is absolutely insane because it can generate video, audio, visual effects, background music, cinematic motion, atmosphere, all together automatically. And the craziest part? It doesn't even take much time. It only takes around 1 minute to generate the full video with audio included. Just look at the generation time. Only 1 minute. After that, check the result. Oh my god, the quality looks amazing. The motion feels smooth, the background music matches perfectly, the cinematic camera movement looks professional, and everything feels like a real animated movie scene. I tried another one again. I uploaded another image, pasted another video prompt, and once again the result looked awesome. The animation, quality, transition, sound, and cinematic feel were all super smooth. You can even check my credits. I generated many images and videos, but surprisingly it didn't consume too many credits. It only takes a small amount of credits while giving extremely high-quality results. I tested this tool many times, and honestly, every single time I was happy with the output. So if you want to create viral AI videos, cinematic animations, emotional storytelling content, or faceless YouTube videos, then you should definitely try this tool. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your amazing support and your valuable time.